What's up, guys? So I wanted to make a quick video about securing your supply lines and your drains while you're doing a rehab or remodel work, and that stops any leaks from happening, any backups. At least everything. So you want to put Teflon tape around that fitting there, and then put a cap on there just like this. This one here might not go on there, huh? What's the story there, buddy? There it is. Okay, you want to make sure that's secured good. Okay. There. Alright, so we got that. We got this capped off here. This is the vanity drain. Caps on their compression stops. And a plug for the water closet. Yeah, keep this plug in there. That way there prevents any backups from going into this room. So there you have it. You don't want to have any accidents. All right, see ya.